Your fleet's data is a goldmine if you're using it. If not, it's just dust collecting in dashboards. Breakdowns, overdue maintenance, fuel burn you didn't see coming. When you're stuck reacting, jobs fall behind and costs add up fast. Clue changes that. It connects with your OEM telematics to centralize fuel, maintenance, and performance data. Everything in one place, updated in real time, ready to act on. Here's what you get. Real-time alerts. Know the moment something's off. Low fuel, engine hours spiking, or overdue service before it turns into downtime. Proactive management. Clue keeps your PMs on track without sticky notes or memory games. You stay ahead of issues, not buried under them. Universal compatibility. No matter what you run, Caterpillar, Komatsu, Deere, Clue speaks your fleet's language and brings it all together. Efficiency gains, fewer breakdowns, faster repairs, and more hours your equipment is actually working, not waiting. Stop guessing, start managing smarter. Book a Clue demo today. Your fleet and your budget will thank you.